Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer and you probably know me online as Miss DeWalt. In this video, I'll be showing you the DeWalt dust separator with a 10-gallon stainless steel tank. The model number is DXVCS0003. This is a welcome addition to any woodworker shop and I'm really happy to have it. When I first saw the box, I thought it was a vacuum because it arrived with a couple of other products. I want to stress this is to be used with a vacuum. It does not have a motor. I'm going to be demonstrating it with the Stealth Sonic Shop Vac. If you missed that review, it is live on my channel. The purpose of this additional tool is to help prevent suction loss and clogged air filters. It fits 1 7/8 inches to 2.5 inch hoses and separates and captures up to 99.5% of debris in the airstream. It also helps extend the life and efficiency of filters and is easy to assemble and store. I'm going to be taking it out of the box and showing you the parts and assembly now. Okay, so there's the actual tank itself. There's nothing in the box, so obviously everything is inside. So it opens up, it does have latches that shut like that, and I'm gonna take this top part off. Okay, so here's the dust separator. So it shows the dirty air coming in, coming through that hose, and out into your wet or dry vacuum. 1 7/8 inch hose. And then the casters and hardware must be kept in here. Here's a look at the inside. It's actually really pretty. The DeWalt logo is right here printed on the front. I think I saw online the care instructions are after each use to keep this looking good, clean it with maybe like a microfiber type of a cloth and a very mild detergent. The casters are here. There are 2 baggies of hardware. There are 4 screws in this one that are like a silver stainless steel kind of color. Then another baggie that has black screws. And there are 6 of them in there. Okay, so assembly looks pretty easy. Place the dust separator tank into the recess on the lid. Align the ribs with the slots. You're going to need the baggie that has the black screws. I'm gonna kind of start these a little bit and then work my way around. Okay, and that feels like a good fit. And then I'm going to actually use my impact, but I'm not gonna go crazy here. And that's how it looks when you're done. Okay, so then the only thing left is to attach the caster feet. Find the baggie that has the silver screws. There will be 4 of them. Okay, so here's a look at the casters up close. They swivel, which is nice for moving it around. Okay. This does work on most materials like wood dust, drywall dust, concrete dust, clay, silica dust, blasting soda, cold ash and soot, water, metal shavings, baking flour, grass and leaves, and pet and animal hair. So that right there lists a lot of different trades that can use this as well as homeowners. The body of the tank measures roughly 22 by 17 by 17 and weighs around 16 pounds. The top cyclone part is about 14 inches high. This product does have a 4.7 star rating on Amazon and a 3-year limited warranty, 1-year free service contract, and 90-day money-back guarantee. I also noticed there are universal connectors available online. I'll create a shoppable photo in my online store, including that. That goes there, comes into the cyclone right there, and then this hose that is on my Stealth Sonic does fit nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on and make a couple cuts, and we'll see how it does. You can feel the air current. Can you see that? Okay, so I'm gonna take this off and ooh, all of that is like very fine particles built up in there. And this really doesn't have anything. And the filter doesn't have the parts that you would expect to be in there. One thing that the manual does note is that you should not store this with debris in it, that you should clean it out thoroughly to keep it looking its best. If you're interested in purchasing this product, it sells for around $137 to $189 online. I will include shopping links and information in the description of this video should you wish to find it and purchase it. If there's anything that I did not cover that you'd like to know, please leave it for me in the comments and I will do my best to answer your questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to see future YouTube videos. I'm also on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Please look me up there. I do have links on my bio page, so I hope that you will follow me on all of my social media platforms. As always, thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.